All right, welcome to NFTREASURE. I'm going to be showing you how to use the product creation tool. If you're watching this video, then you probably clicked on one of these icons, and the product creator tool is in beta right now. So I'm going to show you how to use it and give you some advice, and then we'll be taking everybody's feedback and improving this over the next 30 days. So if you click the button underneath this video, it's going to take you through to whatever item that you clicked on. And in the future, you can just click right through to the product creator tool. There are some other ways that you could get there. In the future, you could hover over this launch app and click this create merch button, or from the catalog where all of the community designs live, you can click on any of these blank designs that say your design here. You'll click on that. You'll click this customize button, and that's going to bring you into the product creator tool. So we are actively seeking out cool designs that would be a good fit for a crypto audience. And if you would like to submit a design before we launch our Treasure Key and our DeFi game, we are offering 40% commissions on any merchandise or designs that you put in our store. Now, this is going to be a manual process right now. In the future, this will all be automated through the Treasure Key NFT that you mint. But while we're in beta and while we're growing our library of designs in our merch store, we're essentially allowing anyone who purchases a garment to have the option to submit that design into the public store. If somebody buys that from the public store, you're going to get a 40% commission. Once the Treasure Key NFT launches, those commissions will reset, and you will be able to earn in between a 10 and 40% commission based on how you play the DeFi game. So let me show you how you can build out a design for your own personal use that you could just order because you want to personally wear it, or because you're interested in ordering it so that you can have it go in the live public store. When you get to this page, you can either upload your own design, or you can connect your wallet and see the NFTs that you have in here. So I'll go ahead and select my wallet, select MetaMask. I've already connected, and I've already got it on the Avalanche C chain. You can see that we offer these other networks as well if you have NFTs there. Then I can click one of these. It's going to pop it on the garment. I could either do that square, or we have a bunch of premium design templates that are designed to give your Square NFT a little bit more of a streetwear feel. So I could come in here and click on one of these designs. It's going to automatically place my NFT into that design. And some of these will automatically pull the name of the project from the blockchain. If I want to resize this for a garment, I just select everything and can resize it and move it where I want it to be on the garment. One of the things that we are playing around with is that sometimes if you load one of these templates on the front of a hoodie or something, the template will load in too large. This is a known issue that will get corrected soon. But if that happens to you, just know that you can highlight everything like this and then scale it up or down. If you decide that you don't want the template, you can just select it and click the delete button, delete that name, or you can pop in a different template. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. If I wanted to customize this further, we do have some NFTREASURE branded little icons and clip art in here. So let's say I wanted to pop this guy in. I could add him right here, make this a color that works on the garment. I can go down here and swap out for any of the colors in the NFTREASURE winter palette. And if I want to do something on the back, I can click side 2 here, flip it over, and same thing. I could add, maybe I want to put something like this on the back here. And now I've got those two sides set up. And all I have to do is click the order option here. I'm going to have to agree that I own this artwork. And then I can select my shirt size, how many I want. if there are options for the type of garment, you can do the select down here. I'm showing two options on the shirt right now, but when you're seeing this, there's only going to be one, which is the premium suede version. And then I can either add that to cart and go make another design, or I can click the checkout button. So I'll go ahead and check out. All right, once I'm on the shopping cart, I can either enter in a coupon code if I have it. This is something that you may have earned in the DeFi game, so this is where you would apply that. And in the future, we'll have the ability to sync your NFT so that you can have an NFT coupon. I'll select my shipping options and then proceed to checkout. Then you're going to fill in all of your billing details. You can either pay with a credit card, or if you want to pay with crypto, you select this pay with crypto option. You're going to click place order. That is going to take me over to the crypto payment page, and I can select which tokens on which network I want to use. So you can see that we have a bunch of different tokens on Avalanche that you can buy crypto in, and it's going to automatically convert it to whatever the USD value is at that time. So feel free to shop with any of your meme coins, USDC, etc. If you have tokens on another network that you would prefer to use, you can select between the network. It's going to switch your wallet out, and then you can see which tokens we have on the other networks. So I will go back to Avalanche, and I'll go ahead and use Smarter. I'll click the approve button. And of course, once the amount is approved, I will trigger the transaction. And then I can go ahead and click this link if I want to see the transaction on Snowtrace. And this will redirect me to my order page. Now, as of the recording of this video, there's not a lot on this order page, but in the future, when you complete your order, there's going to be a form here to fill out. The form is going to ask you, do you want your design to remain private, which if you do, you don't have to do anything, or do you want to list it publicly on the store so that it shows up in the catalog here? So anybody can submit their design to our public catalog just by ordering it on a garment and then saying that you want it listed in the public store. We have a manual review process just because the software isn't quite finalized yet, but in the future, this will be an automated process, and that's how you can list things for sale in the marketplace. We are paying a 40% commission on all merch sales up to 30 days after our Treasure Key NFT mint. So that means that if you were to sell a hoodie that had your design, you're going to make $31 every time that hoodie sells. So pretty sweet deal. I definitely would encourage anybody that thinks that they have a good idea for their token or project or NFTs to go ahead and purchase one of your designs and then submit it to the public store. So that's the end of the product creator tutorial. Remember, you can always get back to it by going to the Launch app and clicking Create Merch. And I guess the final thing that I'll say is if you click into a product and you decide, actually I wanted to do a hoodie, you can always click this Change Product, and all of the available blank products are going to be here. You just click that Apply button and you can go ahead and get it mocked up. Let us know if you have any questions in Discord. Thank you.